Eighth problem. Show that the points -4, -7, -1, -2, 8, 5 and 5, -4 taken in order are the vertices of a rhombus. It is a rhombus. Given points 4 points. Taken points given points A, B, C, D. This is the rhombus A, B, C, D. 4 points given. You find AB, find BC, find BC distance, CD find, AD or DA, anyone. 4 sides AB, BC, CD, AD or DA. First, the distance of points AB, A x1, y1, B x2, y2 is formula square root of x2 minus x1 whole square plus y2 minus y1 whole square. X2 minus 1 minus x1 minus 4, take small bracket, whole square plus y2 2 minus y1 minus 7, take small bracket, whole square. Here observe minus 1 minus into minus plus 4 whole square, 2 minus of minus plus 7 whole square, minus 1 plus 4 3, only 3 square plus 2 plus 7 9 square, 3 square 9 square 9 into 9 81, root 90 written as 45 into 2, 45 written as 9 into 5 into 2, root 9 value 3 root 10. AB complete. Same the distance of BC, B x1 y1, C x2 y2. Write formula x2 square root of x2 minus x1 whole square plus y2 minus y1 whole square. X2 8 minus x1 minus 1 whole square plus y2 5 minus y1 2 whole square. Observe 8 minus of minus plus 1 square plus 5 minus 2 3 square, 8 plus 1 9 square plus 3 square 9 square 81 plus 9, same root 90, 9 into 10, root 9 value 3 root 10. Next, the distance AB complete, BC complete. Next, CD, the distance of points C 8, 5 x1 y1, D 5, minus 4, x2 y2. Write formula x2 minus square root of x2 minus x1 whole square plus y2 minus y1 also. Substitute values. Substitute 5 minus x1 8 whole square plus y2 minus 4 y1 minus 5 whole square, 5 minus 8 minus 3 whole square plus minus 4 minus 5 minus 9 whole square. Here power is even, minus becomes plus, 3 square 9, here also minus becomes plus, 9 square 81, root 19, 9 into 10, root 9 value 3 root 10. CD complete. Next, the distance of points DA or AD, anyone, D x1 y1, A x2 y2, DA, AB completed, BC completed, CD completed, DA distance. write formula x2 square root of x2 minus x1 whole square plus y2 minus y1 whole square. Substitute values x2 minus 4 minus 5 whole square plus y2 minus 7 minus 4 whole square. Observe minus 4 minus 5 minus 9 whole square plus minus 7 here. Observe minus 7 minus into minus plus 4 whole square minus 9 whole square 81 minus becomes plus 9 square 81 minus 7 plus 4 minus 3 whole square minus becomes plus 3 square root 9 81 plus 9 root 90 9 into 10 90 root 10 as 9 into 10 root 9 3 root 10. Here observe all AB equal to BC equal to CD equal to DA. All are equal 3 root 10. All AB, BC, CD, DA. All are 3 root 10. All sides are equal. Given points form a rhombus. All sides are equal. Given points form a rhombus. Ninth problem. Name the type of quadrilateral formed if any by the following points and give reason for your answer. Reason for your answer. Given 4 points. First problem, second problem, third problem. 4 points given. You find type of quadrilateral. Which type of quadrilateral? It is a rhombus, it is a square, it is a rectangle, it is a parallelogram. Anyone you find. First write mark. Given points. First problem. Same before problem A, B, B, C, C, D, A, D. First given points A, B, C, D. Find two distance. The distance of points A minus 1 comma minus 2 and B 1 comma 0. x1 y1 x2 y2. A B equal to first write formula square root of x2 minus x1 whole square plus y2 minus y1 whole square. x2 1 minus of minus 1 whole square plus 0 minus of minus 2 whole square. 1 minus into minus plus 1 plus 1 whole square. 0 minus of minus plus 2 whole square. 1 plus 1 2 square plus 0 plus 2 2 square. 2 square 4 root 8. AB equal to root 8. The distance of points BC, B 1 comma 0, C minus 1 comma 2. BC equal to square root of x2, write formula, substitute the values. x2 minus 1 whole square plus y2 minus y1 2 minus 0 whole square. Minus 1 minus 2 whole square plus 2 minus 0 2 square minus 2 whole square 4 2 square 4 root 8. Next AB complete to BC complete to CD. The distance of points CD. Here take x1 y1 x2 y2. Write formula, substitute the values. x2 minus 3 minus of minus 1 whole square plus 0 minus 2 whole square, minus 3 minus of minus plus 1 whole square, 0 minus 2 whole square, minus 3 plus 1 minus 2 whole square plus minus 2 whole square, minus 2 whole square 4, minus 2 into minus 2 plus 4, minus 2 whole square 4, root 8. CD complete to DA or AD, anyone. The distance of points D, they take x1, y1, x2, y2. Write formula. DA equal to, write formula, substitute the values. x2 minus 1 minus of minus 3 whole square plus minus 2 y2 minus y1 minus 0 whole square, minus 1 minus of minus 2 plus 3 whole square plus minus 2 minus 0 minus 2, minus 2 plus 0 minus 2 whole square, minus 1 plus 3 plus 2 whole square. Which is the greatest to 3? 3 is sin plus 2, so plus 2 whole square, minus 2 whole square, 2 square 4, minus 2 whole square also 4. Why minus 2 into minus 2? Minus into minus plus 1. Power is even, minus becomes plus. Root 8. Here observe AB equal to BC equal to CD equal to DA. All sides are equal. All sides are equal. Actually, this is the rhombus. Actually, you find diagonals. A, B, C, D. AB find, BC find, CD find, DA find. Next you find DA, BD, AC, diagonals. You find compulsory AC, BD. The distance of points A minus 1 comma minus 2, C minus 1 comma 2 is, write formula, substitute the values. Y2 x2 minus 1 minus of minus 1 whole square plus y2 2 minus of minus 2, already minus 2 whole square, minus 1 plus 1 whole square, 2 minus of minus 2 plus 2 whole square, minus 1 plus 1 0 square plus 2 plus 2 4 square, 0 square 0, square root of 0 plus 4 square is 16, root of 0 plus 16, root 16, root 16 value 4. Next another one, the distance of points B 1 comma 0, D minus 3 comma 0 is BD. Write formula, substitute the values. x2 minus 3 minus x1, T the take x1 y1 x2 y2, x2 minus x1 minus 3 minus 1 whole square plus y2 0 minus y1 0 whole square, minus 3 minus 1 minus 4 whole square plus 0 minus 0 0 square, 0 square also 0, minus 4 whole square, minus 4 into minus 4 equal to minus into minus plus 16, root 16 4. AC diagonal 4, BD diagonal 4, diagonals also equal, AC equal to BD, sides AB, BC, CD, AD, sides equal, diagonals AC, BD also equal, diagonals are equal. The given points form a square. Only sides are equal, it is a rhombus. Diagonals also equal, it is a square. Next, second problem. Given 4 points given. Take given points A minus 3 comma 5, B 3 comma 1, C 0 comma 3, D minus 1 come minus